day 64 of explaining something very simply under 2 minutes so I can understand it better. Today I'll talk about diabetes and cancer and how they're related. So firstly, it starts with insulin resistance. In diabetes or obesity, the body cells stop reacting to insulin the way they should. So the pancreas make even more insulin to fix this. They end up overcompensating. So now there's too much insulin, and this sends growth signals in two different ways. So insulin's normal job is to control blood sugar, but when there's too much of insulin, two things happen. One, insulin starts attaching to a different receptor, which is made for another growth hormone called IGF-1, because both these receptors look similar. This turns on signals that tell the cells to grow and multiply. And two, too much insulin also tells the liver to make more IGF-1 and lets more of it move freely in the blood. So either way, the body ends up with extra signals telling cells to grow and not die. Then, high blood sugar feeds the tumors. Cancer cells are sugar hungry, so they use up sugar much faster than normal cells. So when blood sugar stays high all the time, it acts like extra food for the tumors. And high sugar also damages the body, and that damage helps cancer. So when sugar stays high for a long time, it sticks to proteins in the body and forms harmful particles called AGEs, advanced glycated end products. Yes, that's the full form of AGE. So these AGEs attach to a receptor called RAGE, which causes swelling and stress inside the cells, inflammation basically. In tumors, this same reaction helps the cancer cells grow, spread, invade, and also hide from the immune system. So now ongoing swelling adds more fuel to the fire. So diabetes causes constant low swelling, inflammation in the body. And this swelling and the insulin or IGF-1 signals feed each other, creating a cycle that keeps pushing cell growth. So over time, this damages DNA. All this extra activity from too much insulin can damage the cell's DNA and cause mutations. And mutations are what? Start cancer. We all know that. So simply put, insulin resistance, there's too much insulin and IGF-1, cells get told to grow too much. High sugar feeds tumors and damages tissues. Damage and swelling keep this cycle going. DNA gets harmed. Cancer risk goes up, especially in the uterus lining, colon, breast, pancreas, liver, and kidney. So this is how diabetes and cancer are related, and this is how diabetes can cause cancer.